Welcome to the third session in our short course in Metacognition for parents. In this session, we are going to be exploring why sleep is crucial for successful learning. Do you understand why sleep is so important to your child? It is firstly essential to know how learning occurs in the brain. Imagine a jellyfish. This is a pretty good likeness for a neuron in the brain. The bit we want to focus on here are the jellyfish's legs, which on a neuron would be known as the dendrites. On each dendrite are lots of nodules known as dendritic spines. These grow when we learn. These dendritic spines pick up electric impulses from other neurons. This electrical spark is a synapse, better known as a thought. These are the paths in our brain's pinball machine, and we learnt about that in session 1. Essentially, the more shocks between our jellyfish's legs, the stronger the connections and the deeper the learning. This means that repetition is the key to developing these connections. Now that you have the basics, it's on to why sleeping is so important for these jellyfish, or neurons. Research has shown that during the day when learning occurs, small nodules or dendritic spines appear on the jellyfish's legs or the neuron's dendrites. But during sleep, the dendritic spines grow, which means that learning solidifies here. This is because the brain has time to rehearse the day's learning, meaning that shocks between neurons are repeated, which leads to deeper connections between them. Not only does sleep allow for dendritic spines to grow, but sleeping also enables your brain to have a clear out. Essentially, your brain sends in a cleaner to get rid of any dendritic spines that are weak because they haven't been used for a while, or didn't grow correctly to begin with. In order to avoid having these dendritic spines cleared out when sleeping, your child needs to ensure that they revisit any learning that they have done regularly to make sure they are strong enough to withstand a good nighttime brain clean. The NHS recommends that teens have between 8 to 10 hours of sleep per night and offer lots of advice on their website if your child is struggling to manage this. We hope that you have found this third session in Metacognition for Parents useful. Please do get in touch with your child's teachers if you need any further advice.